Hello, welcome to Fabric Friday. My name's Liz, if this is the first time you've been here, and this is a Lone Star quilt top that I made off camera about a month ago. I haven't quilted it because I've been making those other two quilt tops, but now they're done, I'm going to at least get this sorted and put onto the long arm. Now, this is what the fabric I'm using for the backing. It's a lovely fabric, I think, anyway, and it was given to me by a lovely lady. I met Pauline through Facebook, and she loaned me a quilt that I could use to have a go to quilt, the first quilt I ever did on the long arm, and she thinks it's brilliant. But this fabric is not quite big enough for it. I decided to put a large black across and down, so I'm way bigger than the actual quilt top, but I can cut that down after it's quilted and I'll be able to use some of it up. I'd rather have it too big than not enough, because that's happened to me before, that there was not enough and I've had to piece it after half of it was quilted. But I'm just going to give it a good pressing with the iron, same as the top itself. Get some wadding, batting and put it on the long arm. That's now that Lone Star quilt on my long arm and unique hoop frame, so I can start quilting it. So now I'm going to have to put my attention to this one and get this one sandwiched together and piece of backing for it, and I'll show you that one next week. Whoops. Thank you. Bye.